So I'm gonna create an Instagram story and I'm gonna use this image, but I have to switch around the size, because as you can see right now it doesn't take the entire screen. And we're gonna use this useful app is InShot. We're gonna open it, we're gonna tap on photo, and we're gonna select the one that I was showing is right here. I'm gonna change the size, and the size that is best for Instagram stories is 9:16, and we're gonna use that. We're gonna tap on the check mark, and then we're gonna, I think I'm gonna adjust a little bit this image. I'm gonna add a little bit of saturation. Yeah, that's better. I'm gonna tap on check and then save it. After that, I'm gonna move on and I'm gonna use another app. Is this one right here. I'm gonna look for my image and I'm gonna tap on these arrows so it takes the entire image, because as you can see right now the image is square. So we're gonna tap on those arrows and we're gonna tap on next. Right after that, I'm gonna look for some effects, and these effects I'm gonna try to make them like look like sad or scary, I would say, because as you can see the image right here, the death is on the image. So I'm gonna use a little bit of some effects like this one right here, or flames or smoke. But on the first one I'm gonna use fire. Right here I have the fire, and I'm gonna use the entire an effect that takes the entire image. Let's see what looks best to me. The first one, yeah, that one looks nice. I'm gonna tap on the tools right here on top, and then I'm gonna go to blend style, and I'm gonna switch this thing around, because I want to make it look, you know, like sad or scary. Like this one right there, I like it a lot. It's minimum. This one, as you can see, you can change the color, you can switch things around. Hard dive, this one, darken. I think I'm gonna go for this one right here, because it looks black and also like you can see the fire, and I think goes well with the image. So I'm gonna select that one, and I'm gonna save this video, and I'm gonna make it 6 seconds long. I'm gonna save it, tap on OK, and I'm gonna go back to my project, and I'm gonna actually delete this effect. I'm gonna tap here, and I'm gonna add different effects, and I'll explain in the future why. So I'm gonna add some smoke on one side. I think it's in here, yeah, this one. And as you can see, that's the smoke right there. I'm gonna make it, you can make it smaller, bigger. I like it like this size, because I don't want the smoke to get into the text. You can like place it in different positions, or you can even, yeah, I'm gonna leave it right there. And then I can add some other effects, like some kind of fire going down, like you can see. And I actually made a mistake. So if you want to add an effect on top of another effect, you have to tap the plus sign right here, and then I'm gonna look for my smoke again, this one right here, and I'm gonna place it like this. And then I can even add another effect, and let me see which one, because I have a lot of effects here. And also you can like always buy more, you can always buy more effects, and yeah, and switch things around. And as you can see, once again I made the same mistake, and that's good, so you can see how you can fix your mistakes. So right here I'm gonna tap again, and I'm gonna look for this smoke once again, and that'll be it, because I'm not gonna add more effects. Right there is okay. So this video I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna save it like this, like 20 seconds long, and I'll explain later why. So right now we have two short videos. We have this one that lasts 6 seconds, and this one 20. Now we're gonna use another app, and this app helps me to do transitions, and I'm gonna go for mirror. There's an effect here called mirror. I'm gonna use that one because it's one of the effects that I like a lot. So as you can see, this is the actual effect, but yeah, so what you have to do is press right here with one finger and move the effect around with the other finger, and then you're gonna create this effect right here. So let's do it. I'm creating the effect right now, and then I'm gonna save it. So I just tap on next, and then the app is gonna save the effect, and now it should be saved in our camera roll. Yeah, we have it there. So right now we're gonna go to CapCut Pro, and then I'm gonna create a new project. Tap on the plus sign, and then on portrait mode, done. And then we're gonna add the effects that the videos that I created. So I'm gonna start with a 6 seconds long, and I'm gonna just go for around 2 seconds and a half, and then I'm gonna cut the rest and delete it. I'm gonna tap again the plus sign, and I'm gonna go for my transition, which is the mirror effect. I'm gonna play it and see where I like how it looks the most. Right there. This one, it doesn't have to be too long, it just can be like a second long or even less. I'm gonna go for this long right here, cut it, delete it, boom. So this is how it's looking so far. Looks very nice. And then I'm gonna add the last video. As you can see, we're using 3 different videos, and this is the one that lasts 20 seconds, and it lasts 20 seconds because as you may know, the Instagram stories are 15 seconds long. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add music. I'm gonna go to the plus sign, then tap on music, and then iPad, and then artist, and I'm gonna go on this band. You can select any song. I'm not gonna select, I'm gonna select this one just to give you an example. Once you have your song selected, this is gonna be the music that is gonna be playing in the background. So once you have it, you're gonna tap the video, cut it, and delete the rest of the video, and then tap the audio, cut it, and delete the rest of the audio. Now you have to save your project. In this case, I'm gonna delete the track because I don't want to have problems with YouTube because of copyright. But let's pretend that I have music in the background and you already know how to add it. So I'm just gonna save my project, tap on this little arrow right here on top and export to album, and of course I'm gonna go for high quality. And now I'm saving my project. It's gonna be 15 seconds long and it's gonna be in my camera roll, and this is how it's gonna look. As you can see, that's one video, two videos, three videos, and this is the final result. I have I add these two videos at the beginning because it grabs more attention, and in that transition grabs even more attention, and then you have the resolution, which is this one right here, and it also has more videos, so you can grab attention, and your Instagram story gets promoted even more by Instagram because it's getting some interaction. And if you want to see my Instagram stories, you can go to my account. This is my name, CESAR.TAPIA. So you can go there, and I publish daily Instagram stories, but not on Sundays. But yeah, this is how you can make it. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.